Hello everyone, Ken Latham, the design guy, signing on. All right, Kyle, Amy, this is where we were sitting yesterday when we left. So we came in here and we'd done your master bath, and we'd done some tall hanging space into your walk-in closet. So in the tall hanging space there, we got your linen closet in, got your double vanity. So we've got a lot more than what you sounded like you were expecting. We got in your island and your wider cased opening, the dining room where we've got the hutch at the end, and then we've got the three windows into there, bringing in the plenty of light that you want to have. We've got your coffee bar, the most important item that you had on your list, or one thereof. And then, being this was coming in from the mudroom, from the screen porch, we've got your bathroom or powder room here, and your cubbies, which we'll see all this in 3D in just a minute. Your washer dryer setup, and then folding area on the other side. So let's switch over and let's take a look at this from over the top. Okay, so we're going to come in and we're going to sort of start off in the same place. I haven't put your mirrors and all in place, but this is your bathroom. So we've got the existing window that's there. Then we've got your new shower. And I'm using different materials just so you can make that out. Otherwise, everything being one color would make it really hard to see. We've got your toilet. Then in this room, we've got the five doors, excuse me, the five shelves for your linen closet. And we'll go back and we'll close that door. And then in your closet, we'll end up with a double rod and shelf coming around, double rod and shelf there. And then this, I think we were talking about just changing over to a single shelf and having for your tall hanging space for your coats and dresses and such. Then let's move out of that area back into your kitchen area. Look at that island. You wanted to have a large island where we could have seating. So we've got a 6 foot by 7 foot island. You've got the downdraft range that you had already. So we decided to move that in front of that window being as a downdraft. Cabinet similar to what you had before on the corners. The side will still have the Lazy Susan here. I figured we'll go back in. We'll keep that same wall that we have or a similar wall to what you had now so that way we can get switches on the end of it. Nice little coffee bar there. Nice wide opening where you're able to look out of this front. So bring plenty of sunlight in. Have plenty of room for everything to be sitting into that dining room. Back up over the top. One of the other things you were really looking for was the cubbies. So here we've got the sets of cubbies sitting in here, and then the powder room again, and then your washer dryer area with your folding area. I know I'm going through this fairly quickly, but this we've kind of already seen yesterday, but I just wanted to have this to you as a reminder, or in case you wanted to send it over to some family and friends to take a look at. So let's see, let's go take the look at the outside. So here we go. This is from the outside. So upstairs, these windows are existing. These are the new dining room windows, and then a window here and a window on the side, which are going to be for that bathroom, excuse me, for the laundry room. So we'll roll that on around. This window here goes into your mudroom. I don't have the screen porch finished out again. This is kind of where we're at for the concept. So we have your enlarged screen porch, which I know you were loving that. So that's where we're standing. So very good. This is Ken Latham signing off. Y'all have a wonderful day. I'll be waiting to hear back from you. Bye now.